Good morning. Welcome to Math Time. We have been collecting data and we have been making tally charts, and we made a pictograph last week to record your data. Today you're going to go back to using a tally chart. Okay, you're going to have two questions that you're going to ask family members. The first question is, which is your favorite color? And you give them a choice of blue, red, or yellow. And the second one is, what is your favorite kind of cake? And you give them three choices there. It's strawberry shortcake, pound cake, or chocolate cake. I'm going to ask that you do this inside of your notebook and make a chart just like I have, just like we've done last week. And I used the first question and I asked my family, which was their favorite color. No one had said yellow. I had 3 people say blue and 2 people said red. And you're going to do the same thing with both of these questions. So your notebook page should look very similar to mine in making those charts. And remember, when you make a tally, for one vote, you just put a slat, put a one little stick down. Okay. If you get a total of 5, then you would have 4 down and then 1 slash across it, right? I know you guys are familiar with how to make tally marks. Then you're going to answer a question on your packet. We are on day 19, and there is a question that asks you to interpret some of this data. So the information that you get, they ask you to take that information. They're going to ask you a question that goes along with that information, okay? You also are going to have some pages in your math workbook, and those pages they are a little different than what's on your sheet. I had it written down. Those pages are 93 and 94 inside of this book, okay? Page 93 and 94 is what you're going to work on today. And I think that's it. Have a wonderful day. Have fun with this activity, and look forward to always seeing some of your work samples. Bye, guys.